gonna try to fit this thing in a G35. I don't know if it's gonna work, so let's go try.
You know.
Maybe, I don't know.
She's got these big fat cannons on the back.
I literally just went on eBay. It was $300. It was the cheapest exhaust I could find. It was like $350 for 4 tax. After taxes and shipping and all that, it's $382. So we're gonna look at the freaking cannon on this sucker. It says it's a 4.5 inch tip, but yeah, so
it is.
Yeah, it looks pretty fat.
You have to raise the car to put them on.
Nah,
I mean,
so we'll see. But yeah, just went on eBay, bought them up. Cheapest exhaust I can possibly put on, because this thing sounds like a truck right now. So I had to do something. I had to get this thing where I could daily drive it and just drive it down the road without it being obnoxious. So we're gonna go slap this thing on at the shop. Truck. It just sounds like a truck. It's so bad. Now here's a takeoff from first. It's about 2,700 RPM, and it's just bazooka blasting, dude. So we're gonna fix it. We'll see y'all at the shop. She's mocked up, baby. She's mocked up. We're gonna tidy all the bolts up and whatnot, get this thing tightened up. This is the only problem I have. I don't know what I did with that hanger mount. So I'm just gonna leave it be for now, maybe bend that up. We're gonna find one off of another Z. So, but she's put together, so we're gonna lower it down, do a little startup. At the house I can throw on, like some high flow cats. They're just resonated cats, so basically not a cat, but yeah, golly. Well, now it just comes out the rear. I'm gonna have Sal drive it just right here in the parking lot, because I honestly think it sounds like junk, my personal opinion, but I want to hear it from the outside before I make my final decision. So he says it sounds pretty all right, but I think it sounds like a pile of turds. But at least it's not coming from under the car now, so that's good. sounds all right. It's better than it coming right into the floorboard, so it'll work.
That rattle though is, I think, from that exhaust hanger.
It could be.
I think that's
Which on rev, it doesn't have a rattle or anything like from the actual exhaust, but it just sounds like, I don't know. I don't really like the way it sounds. So I've drove it around for a little bit. I'm not a fan of it. I'm not crazy excited about it, but I am stoked that I can sit here and talk in the car and the exhaust fumes aren't coming in and stuff like that. But the sound, I'm personally not a fan of. Just listen to it. I really don't know if I like it, y'all. I don't know if I'm a fan or not. We're doing some driving around. We're about to hop on the interstate here. As of right now, it's okay, but for cheap exhaust, it'll work. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, because after the shenanigans, golly, look. New exhaust, flat tire, baby. We'll see y'all later.